Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 4, 2024, featuring the crescent moon near the bull's northern horn, a gored moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time followed by sunset at 8:29 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. This morning 3 bright planets and a thin crescent moon are visible before daybreak. At 1 hour before sunrise, bright Jupiter is over 10 degrees above the east-northeast horizon and 4.9 degrees to the upper left of Aldebaran, Taurus' brightest star. Jupiter passes the star on the 10th. The Jovian giant is higher in the sky each morning at this time interval before sunrise. Do not confuse Jupiter with Capella, over 20 degrees above the northeast horizon and over 25 degrees to Jupiter's upper left. Jupiter is distinctly brighter than the star, nearly 7 times brighter. Mars, marching eastward in front of Aries, is over 25 degrees above the east horizon. It is moving toward a conjunction with Jupiter on August 14. This morning the gap between them is over 20 degrees. Look carefully for the razor-thin crescent moon, 3% illuminated, over 5 degrees above the horizon and 16.0 degrees to Jupiter's lower left. Use a binocular to spot Elnath, Taurus' northern horn, less than 2 degrees above the lunar crescent. The moon's location is a precarious place in celestial artwork. It appears to be gored by the bull's horn. At this hour Saturn is in the south-southeast. Not as dazzling as Jupiter, the ringed wonder is brighter than most stars in the sky this morning. Rising before local midnight, Saturn is nearly halfway up in the sky in the south-southeast in front of Aquarius starfield, above Deneb Kaitos, Cetus tail, and Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish. Through mid-autumn, use a binocular to watch it retrograde against the dim starfield. In the evening sky. Setting only 34 minutes after the sun, Venus slowly makes its way into the evening sky. Its appearance is hampered by a low angle the plane of the solar system makes with the western horizon at this season. Similarly, Mercury's visibility is challenged by the geometry and the season's lengthened period of evening twilight. At 30 minutes after nightfall, Mercury is over 7 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Appearing as a bright star through evening's colorful palette, use a binocular to locate the speedy planet. Mercury dims each evening. Perhaps the best evening to find the planet occurs on the 7th, when the crescent moon begins a new lunation after sunset in the western sky. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.